Unity in a blended family doesn't happen overnight. It's not something you feel. It's something you build. One word at a time. One act of grace at a time. One hard but holy choice at a time. Make every effort to keep the unity of the Spirit through the bond of peace. That kind of unity isn't passive. It's intentional. It requires humility and a lot of forgiveness. But it's worth it. Unity is built brick by brick. Every prayer whispered for your stepchild. Every conversation you choose to pause and speak with love. Every time you stay when your heart wants to run. It's not flashy. It's not always seen. But in heaven's eyes, it's legacy building. So if you're tired, don't quit. If it feels slow, keep building. God is shaping something in your home that only He could design. It may not look perfect, but it is powerful. Brick by brick, you're becoming stronger. Together.